Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Ford Falcon convertible. Gorgeous car, guys. I actually bought this car, I think it was 2 years ago, down at a show in Georgia. Bought it from a lady. She's owned this car for 43 years. Before her husband had passed, he did a complete nut-and-bolt restoration on this car. It's only got 2,300 miles on it since it was done. Oxidized primer floorboards. Just stunning car. I sold it to a local lady who's had it for the last couple of years and decided that she was going to sell it, so I bought it back from her. But great car. Factory Rangoon red with the red vinyl interior, 289 automatic, dual exhaust. You can see it's got the white walls with the original wire caps. Just a great car. And again, 2,300 miles on a complete nut and bolt restoration. And just a pretty car, guys. It looks to me, this grille is original. They didn't replace that, but other than that, not much is, not much did they not turn on this car, I would say. Again, Rangoon red, pretty color combination. I love the red on red. Bunch of new stuff, guys. Trying to get all the cars advertised. I apologize. Like I say, I like to do all the videos myself. So sometimes, sorry, just a little droplet of rain. We're kind of still dealing with that, guys. Little dribbles here. But, so I'm a little slower than most. We don't have a 25-man crew here. There's about 4 of us that get the job done here. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got the Firestone radial white walls on it. Dust there, guys. There's a little discolorization, a little dust on it. .289 2-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Pretty much bone stock underneath the hood. It's got the original 2-speed automatic trans. There's a VIN still on your inner fender. Yeah, this is a pretty car, guys. Great shape, very nicely done. Again, the husband had done it for his wife. You can see new door handles. There's your original door tag. I love the red on red. Factory dash, steering wheel's in really nice shape. Dash looks great. 2324 on the odometer. Factory AM radio. Jason doing the boot here. We'll show you the top. It's got new dual exhaust, stock rear end. Firestone white wall spare with the jack. It comes with a cover. That came with the car. You can see it's pretty much original in there. Good, solid car, guys. Very nice underneath. Again, you can see the oxidized primer floorboards. Good car, guys. Always had a soft spot for these Falcons. I think it's a great body style. A car that you can buy without breaking the bank. It really seems to hold their value very well. And I just like them. I think they're cool cars. Have Jay fired up. Sorry guys. These guys get to waiting for me sometimes and get a little dust on them. Again, just a good running 289, guys. Pretty much bone stock, pump gas. It's gonna be a little chilly out here for Jay on the test drive. Gas gauge works, temp gauge works. You want to roll your top up a little bit, Jay? Again, it's power top, black, it's new, it's replaced. It's got the plastic rear window. When they did the restoration, they did it. I love the taillights on these cars. Got a good sound.
Not getting nothing on the radio.
No.
Blower motor, yes.
Blower motor works, guys. Nothing on the radio. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call. You can do that at 248-620-3355. That is just a good car. A little chilly. Our weather's changed a little. Have a great day, guys.